Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am beyond excited to introduce you to the Gryan DIY electric skateboard with remote. This incredible piece of technology is a game changer for all skateboard enthusiasts out there. First off, let me tell you about the flexibility and convenience this electric skateboard provides. The DIY install kit makes it suitable for all standard skateboards, giving you the freedom to customize your ride to your liking. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this skateboard is perfect for all skill levels. Not only does the Gryan electric skateboard provide the flexibility you need, but it's also equipped with a powerful remote control. With just the touch of a button, you can effortlessly control your speed and direction, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride every time. And let's not forget to mention the sleek and modern design that will surely turn heads as you cruise around town. But what really sets the Gryan electric skateboard apart from the rest is the quality and durability. This skateboard is built to last, so you can have peace of mind knowing that it will withstand the wear and tear of daily use. So, if you're looking for an electric skateboard that offers flexibility, convenience, and durability, then look no further than the Gryan DIY electric skateboard with remote. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your skateboarding experience with this amazing product. Check the link in the description to get your hands on the Gryan electric skateboard today. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.